Audubon, my personal favorite. Sorry about the intrusion, sir, but at least you've been ransacked by a man of impeccable taste. Huh?
2 days out of prison, and you're back to your old games, huh, Penguin?
You again and again and again! No!
So, today's the day, huh? Planning on making a big splash?
No need. They never forget the true elite.
Well, I got a lot to remember you by.
But this time I'll reclaim my perch in high society as an upstanding bird. I've learned my lesson. Never again. Come, the cream of society awaits. A limousine is no doubt at the ready.
What's the matter, Penguin? Maybe the cream of society's curdled, huh?
You coming or not? I got a schedule, you know.
And a lovely disposition to go with it. Now, this is hardly the style to which I am accustomed.
Glad you like it.